Welcome to Module 7, Growing Your Career in AI Product Management. This module is all about helping you take the skills, knowledge, and frameworks we've learned throughout this course and apply them to your professional growth. AI product management is a dynamic and evolving field, offering many opportunities to make real impacts on your organization and your career. By mastering the principles of the product operating model and combining them with technical expertise, leadership skills, and continuous learning, you can position yourself as an invaluable asset in this place. So let's dive in and explore how you can grow and thrive in your AI product management career. Becoming a successful AI product manager starts with building expertise in the field. While you're not going to need to be a data scientist, having a strong understanding of the technical and strategic aspects of AI is going to be very essential. So let's break this into three key areas. First, you need to deepen your understanding of AI branches and algorithms. AI is a very broad field with multiple areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, and generative AI. The key takeaway here is to focus on areas most relevant to your organization or projects that you are around. For example, if you're managing a recommendation engine, understanding supervised learning and the associated algorithms like decision trees or neural networks is going to be critical to your success. Next, you're going to engage in research and hands-on projects. You need to stay updated on advancements in AI by reading research papers, attending conferences, and exploring use cases in your industry. An example of this would be researching how transformer models are being used in your domain, such as in chatbots or automated content generation. Participating in hackathons or innovation events at your company are going to be critical not only to your personal development, but to standing out in your organization. And also pursue certifications and training. Formal training programs help validate your skills and keep you competitive. And consider options specifically around generative AI programs. Building expertise is not about just technical knowledge. It's about connecting the AI capabilities to business goals and delivering measurable outcomes. And the more you invest in your growth, the better equipped you're going to be to lead impactful AI initiatives. Leadership is a cornerstone of any successful AI product manager. You are the bridge between the technical teams and the business stakeholders, and you're going to play the key role in guiding these cross-functional teams and ensuring that the product that's developed delivers measurable outcomes. Now let's talk about some key aspects of leadership in AI product management. First, guiding cross-functional teams. AI products require collaboration between data scientists, engineers, designers, business leaders, and product leadership, data and science, and analytics leadership. This is going to require you to build trust and confidence in your abilities. Your role is to ensure alignment between these different teams and to effectively communicate with them across all team members. For example, in a project for an AI-powered customer support chatbot, you would coordinate the data scientist designing the NLP model, the engineer integrating into the platform, and the customer success team ensuring that it meets user needs. You also are going to be responsible for making sure that you're driving ethical AI practices. AI itself comes with unique challenges. There's bias, fairness, and privacy concerns. And as a leader, you need to advocate that you're following ethical guidelines and ensure your product aligns with your organizational values and rules. For example, when deploying a recommendation engine, you might work with your team to mitigate bias and suggestions to ensure equitable outcomes for all users. Now, you also need to learn how to make strategic decisions. This is where placing bets comes in. Leadership in AI means understanding not only the technical risks, but the business aspects so that you can not only make informed decisions, but informed bets. When you're prioritizing features, you need to balance the technical feasibility with the business value, and then champion the product vision. For example, when deciding to pivot from a traditional model to a transformer-based generative AI model for better scalability and performance, you need to not only talk about the technical advantages, but also the business advantages. And let's talk finally about leadership and AI product management. Leadership is more than just about managing. You need to inspire your team, inspire those around you, ensure that everyone's aligned, and navigate the political challenges in order to deliver innovative and responsible AI solutions. Now, it's very important for you to always have continuous learning in order to stay updated, especially in the field of AI. It's evolving not only monthly, but weekly at this point. And staying ahead requires a commitment to continuous learning. As an AI product manager, your ability to adapt and grow is going to be key to your career and also to your organization in delivering innovative solutions. So here's how you can prioritize continuous learning. First, stay informed on AI advancements. Second, pursue your professional development. Third, make sure you engage regularly with the AI community. And fourth, make sure you practice hands-on experimentation. AI product management is a journey of continuous growth and improvement. And just like anything, the more you invest in that growth, the more you're going to improve and the better equipped you're going to be to navigate the challenges and drive impactful AI solutions. Well, congratulations on completing Module 7 and for making it this far in your journey. You now have a powerful framework, practical skills, and a clear understanding of how to drive AI initiatives that solve real business problems. You've learned to collaborate effectively with data scientists, tech leads, and business stakeholders. And you've built a mindset that separates a good product manager from a truly great one when it comes to AI. But let's acknowledge the reality. Breaking into AI product management is hard. It's challenging. The job market is competitive. Roles often have ambiguous definitions, and AI-driven recruitment processes can sometimes overlook the unique value that you bring. But despite these challenges, remember that companies aren't just hiring for technical skills. They're hiring for their leaders. They're looking for individuals who can connect technology to business outcomes, professionals who can organize teams that deliver real impact, and visionaries who can confidently guide products through discovery, strategy, and delivery. And that's you. That's you now. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from a place of experience and preparation. Now, in order to navigate this complex landscape, first, stay focused. Concentrate on building relevant skills and gaining experience with AI-related products. Second, make sure you have a plan. Set clear goals, identify the skills you need to acquire, and create a roadmap to achieve them. And finally, you have to be persistent. Rejections are part of the process. Learn from them, refine your approach, and keep applying. Every step you take from this point forward is proof that you're ready to be a leader in AI product management. Believe it, believe in yourself, and then others are going to believe in you. You've already taken the first step, starting, which is often the hardest step, and it's more than most people have done. Now keep it up and show everyone what you're made of.